Do you like prawns? And are you looking for cool fine dining amuse-bouche? Then I have something for you. Today I will show you how you can make easy prawn tartlets, which you can use as an easy starter, amuse-bouche or just snack. And the first thing I need to start with will be pickled cucumber.
So I peel it first and then make a few slices on mandolin. You can do it with a knife, but the mandolin gives you more consistency. Then I cut few strips and from there nice small dices. But don't use the soft middle, only the firm sides. To pickle it, I will mix vinegar, water, sugar and salt. Just melt all the ingredients together and cover the cucumber with the cold liquid. Then I leave it inside the fridge until I need it. Make sure you do it at least 1 hour before using. Next, I make my dough for the tartlets. You will need butter, egg yolk, plain flour and a bit of water. I cut the cold butter and blend it with the flour and egg yolk. Depending on the size of the egg yolk, you might need some water. So blend it first, and if the dough feels too dry, add a spoon or two of water. You should end up with a dough like this. Finish it by hand, cover it with cling film and leave it inside the fridge for at least 30 minutes.
And now let's start with the prawns. I will make easy poaching liquid and then I'm gonna blanch them in.
I mix 400 ml of water with 100 ml of white wine, add some carrots, pepper and salt and let it cook for a few minutes so all the flavors combine. And in the meantime, I peel my shrimps and then poach them inside the liquid. You need it at around 80 degrees Celsius, so take it out of the heat. Let it cool down to around 90 degrees Celsius. Put your prawns in and leave them there for about 2 minutes, depending on their size. After that, transfer them into the ice bath to stop the cooking. And of course, we need to test the quality with my food inspector. He's already been waiting here for a while. Once they are cold, just cut them into small pieces. I'm going to mix them with an easy lemon mayo. So I start with egg yolk and oil. Then finish it with a good amount of lemon juice and salt. Mix both together. Check the overall taste for salt and it's ready to go. And the last thing to do is bake the tartlets. I roll the dough nice and thin, cut it with pastry ring and place it into the molds. Don't forget to make a few holes with a fork on the bottom, then bake at 175 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Before you add prawns, let the tartlets cool down completely and then you can assemble everything. Tartlets, prawns, pickled cucumber on the top and finish with few radish leaves. And there you have it, an easy canapé that will impress everyone in your house.
And if you want to learn another super tasty snack, check out this video and learn how you can make my beef tartare inside Parmesan crisps. Thank you for watching guys, and I see you soon.